Fresh corn, a delight to any recipe it's used. Here is a innovative recipe using colorful vegetables along with fresh corn to make it an immuno-boosting, anti-aging, very tasty recipe. We've used corn, so boil the corn on the cob and separate the grains. Chop your onions into fine cubes. Onions lend the flavor and the zest to the recipe. Using carrots in the grated form makes the filling easy to prepare. Carrots are loaded with phenolics, carotenoids, ascorbic acid and are rich in fiber, so they are anti-cancer and cardioprotective. Capsicum, the green colored chlorophyll rich vegetable, is filled with the goodness of oleoresin, capsaicin, carotenoids, especially beta-cryptoxanthin and zeaxanthins. Bell peppers and capsicums are low in calories, high in fiber and vitamin C, and their rich antioxidants are a value addition to any diet. Red tomatoes lend the recipe vitamin C, potassium, folate, vitamin K. Prepare the bell peppers by removing the inside seeds. Sprinkle some salt and keep them inverted so then they become ready for the stuffing. Now, coming back to the nutrition goodness, the red bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers are again rich in vitamin C, apart from also providing lycopene and phytochemicals like capsaicinoids, phenolics, ascorbic acid and carotenoids. They help in boosting the immune system and are anti-inflammatory too. So for the filling, let's start. Heat the vessel. We've used stainless steel double bottom vessel. Heat the oil, put your ginger grated and the onion, saute for a few minutes. Put in the boiled corn, stir fry for some more time. Avoid using aluminium and non-stick as much as you can because steel does not shed anything into the food. So it's the safest medium to cook for a cooking vessel. When we are chopping the vegetables very fine, they again help in reducing cooking time. So preparing the corn by boiling it, chopping the vegetables into smaller pieces makes our cooking time short. A shorter cooking time means you're going to conserve much more nutrition in your recipe. We've used spices like black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder and a little bit of Weber chili sauce to make it into a tasty stuffing. Do not forget to add your tomato scooped out fillers because they will again add to the vitamin C and the taste to the recipe. So now your filling is ready. Cooking time of just about 5 to 6 minutes. Your scooped out bell peppers are ready as well. The use of corn in the recipe is a special addition. Corn is high in fiber and lesser in calories compared to the other grains and cooks easily. It promotes gut health and helps relieve constipation as well. So the stir-fried vegetables can be covered and cooked for just 5 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your glass dish with a spoon or two of oil. Scoop in the stuffing of your corn and vegetables in the capsicums and bell peppers. Top with some grated cheese and bake in the oven for just about 10 to 15 minutes. And you have a healthy, quick to make vegetable dish. It can be a starter, it can be a part of your main course as well. For Weight Watchers, just have 2 of these stuffed bell peppers or tomatoes with a bowl of salad and soup and you are good to go, loaded with the goodness of nutrition, fibers, phytochemicals and antioxidants. If you are happy with our kind of recipes and want to know more about nutrition which can add to your health, do not forget to share, subscribe to my channel.